guys, so today we're going to work on drawing some really cool animals that I'm really excited about. So I'm going to show you exactly how to draw each animal, and then you can add whatever you want to. If we're doing a project in school where we're adding ugly Christmas sweaters, then I can show you how to do that in class, or there might be all kinds of different things that you can add to these animals. But today, right now, we're going to start with different Asian type animals, okay? So the first animal we're going to start with is an elephant. So I like to start with the trunk of the elephant. So I'm going to come in and draw it kind of like this to where it comes underneath. There we go. And then I'm going to draw the face of my elephant. Right. Whoops. And it's okay to make mistakes and erase, right? That's why we have pencils. So then I'm going to draw the ears. Now the ears are kind of weird, okay? But I'm going to come down just like this right here, okay? And then I'm going to come around like this. And then come on down, okay? I'm going to do the same thing over here. So I'm going to come down pretty far. I'm going to go above it, come down again, and then keep going. All right, and then I'm going to draw the arms of my elephant like behind my elephant. So I'm going to come down like this. And then make my elephant look like this right here. Then I can erase anything underneath. And if you need to pause the video, that is totally okay. I know I go a little fast sometimes, but I've had lots of practice. And that's all drawing takes, is lots and lots of practice. So then we can come up with the rest of our head of our elephant, just like this. And then I'm going to draw some eyes. I'm going to draw a girl elephant. So I'm going to draw some eyes like this, with some eyelashes. And then I might add some lines in the trunk. And I might add some little freckles. Right. And there you go. We have an elephant. And now we can color it, and then we can add all kinds of different things that we want to our elephant, right? So if we're weaving a sweater for our elephant, or if we're drawing a crazy Christmas sweater, we can do all of that. So there's an elephant. I'm going to flip my paper over and show you how to draw the next animal. So the next one we have is a koala, okay? And I'm going to fill up my paper a little bit more this time. So I'm going to start with kind of an oval shape, okay? Kind of an oval shape. And I'm going to draw 2 circles. Then I'm going to draw a little circle like this, or a little oval like this. And then an oval like that. And then we have these really cute ears that koalas have. And koalas have really big black centers to their eyes. As far as I know, I'm not a koala expert, but that's what I imagine them to look like. They could be different, maybe. And then I'm going to add some rosy cheeks to mine when I go to color mine. And then I'm going to come down like this. I'm just going to have his arms just be kind of by his side. And then if I want to add a Christmas sweater, Christmas hat, anything like that, I totally can, right? So there's my koala. And remember, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause it, okay? Now, And remember, these are Asian animals. I have different videos for different types of animals, okay? And now we're going to draw a hippo, okay? So a hippo is a little bit different. I'm going to draw like a rainbow shape. Then I'm going to come down to a point in the middle. I'm going to come to a point in the middle. And then I'm going to draw some shallow teeth. And then from the teeth to teeth, I'm going to draw the bottom part of their lip and then their tongue. And then this is their nose. So I'm going to draw 2 dots and then oval shapes. And even I can maybe color this in if I wanted to. Yeah, I think I like that better colored in. And then I'm going to come on this side and come up just like this. And then you keep your eyes kind of close to the nose. You know what? I think that head's too big. I don't like how big that is. Right? And if your drawing isn't exactly like mine, that's totally okay. Because I don't want you all to copy mine. A teacher's job is to make their students better than them. So if you can use my drawing as a reference and become better, I would love that. That would make my day so happy. And did you all know that hippos are my favorite animals? Just a little fun fact. I don't like how it has that little dip. I'm super particular about my hippos. Okay. You don't have to add eyelashes if you don't want to. I just like to add them sometimes. Then I'm going to color that in and color that in when I go to color it. And then we can come down and down like this. I'm going to have the arms come like this, I think, and come together like this right here. So, there is our hippo. Okay, so the next drawing we're going to do is a cobra or a snake. So I'm going to have, just like the hippo, 2 things kind of like this. And then we're going to come up and around together. Erase that right there. And then we're going to draw kind of a flattened out rainbow shape. And then at the end of that, you draw 2 dots. Okay. And then I like to draw these little swoosh, swoosh. That's what I call them, swoosh, swoosh. And then I'm going to draw 2 kind of vertical eyes like that. And then I'm going to come down with my, whoops, like that right there. And then if you want to add teeth, you can, right here, or even a tongue. I'm going to add some eyelashes. And I might even add a flower, because snakes sometimes are scary. So if I add a flower to her hair, she might not seem as scary. Or if it's Christmas time, you can add a Christmas hat. All different kinds of things you can add. Okay, so there's our snake. Our next Asian animal is going to be a monkey. Okay, so I'm going to draw kind of a circle thing like this. And then I'm going to go on the inside of it and I'm going to draw another one. Okay, and I might leave a little bit of space at the top, like that. Here we go. And then I'm going to come up here, draw some eyebrows and 2 circles. And I'm going to draw a little thing like that. And there we go. And I'm going to draw some highlight. Oops. Some highlights in the eyes. And then we need their ears. Right. And then we have the monkey's neck. And monkeys have like skinny arms, so I'm going to kind of make it look like that. Right there. And there we go. There's your monkey. And if you have a different way of drawing a monkey, go for it, man. Because I might actually not have that there. And I might not make the smile. I could come in here and make it kind of like this and make some monkey teeth maybe. You know, who knows? Do whatever you want to. Make it better than mine. Right? Okay. And then the last Asian animal we're going to draw is a panda bear. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with a circle. And then I'm going to have a triangle. I'm going to come in and I'm going to draw two little animal shapes. I'm going to make some rosy cheeks. I'm going to make two big circles. And then I'm going to make mine looking like this way. I'm going to color in my pupils and then draw some little highlights. Right? I have my panda ears. And actually, pandas have black circles around their eyes. So I'm going to draw this black circle around the eyes. Right? And then I'm going to come in and draw my panda like this. I'm just going to keep his arms down by his side. Okay? And then whenever we go to color it, you can actually color in those spots. All right? So there are the different types of Asian animals that I have for you all, just as examples. So I cannot wait to see what you turn these wonderful Asian animals into.